So you're aware that everything is happening of its own as an expression of divinity, which is the allness, the totality of all that exists. The realization that one's own existence is due to the constant presence of divinity. Contrary to the unenlightened view that divinity created threw the dice somewhere back in history and then disappeared and is waiting for you somewhere until that awesome day called Judgment Day is a terrifying misconception of reality. It's because of the presence of God right now, one's existence from instant to instant is dependent completely on the presence of God. So one could say that that which one considers to be oneself, the ego, is the content, and God is the ultimate context. So self with a small s is the contents, self with a large S is the context. Enlightenment is merely identifying progressively with the infinite self and realizing that one is all that is forever. In the first lecture we said that, in every lecture we affirm that one of the most important pieces of information to realize is that there is no such thing as cause in the world, that is an abstraction, that the whole basis of the ego is based on the premise of cause. Cause is based on duality. Cause is the belief that there is a this causing a that, separate in time and place. If there has to be a this causing everything, then there has to be a this causing whatever you think you are. And that's how the ego maintains some semblance of belief. There must be an actor behind your actions. There must be a speaker behind your speaking. There's got to be a doer behind your doings. And therefore, the illusion that there is a this causing a that is the main block. It is also the whole basis of science. And I was looking at a book somebody sent me, putting together advanced quantum mechanics and brain function. And you see how linearity strains and strains and strains to reach that which is really non-linear. The book calibrates at 465. Trying to push the concept of cause to its ultimate and make it fit a realm in which there is no cause is quite a difficult task. So anyway.